Eggs are the best way to add in some protein to your meals because they're budget friendly, they're super versatile because there are different ways that you can cook eggs, and they're so delicious. So today we are going to be making some delicious egg stew, which is going to need very few ingredients and it's going to turn out mouth-watering. And you can serve the egg stew with some ugali, chapati, rice, or even enjoy for breakfast. You're going to prep up ahead your fresh ingredients. We have some garlic, onion, coriander. We have capsicum and tomatoes. Also, you're going to need around 3 spices, which are going to make the stew very delicious. And of course, you need your eggs, salt, and cooking oil. We are going to get straight into cooking by placing a pot over medium flame. Then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can also add in olive oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Then you're going to wait for the oil to get hot. Once the oil is ready, add in 1 medium onion. Add in 3 cloves of garlic that are minced. Cook your onions and garlic for around a minute, and this is going to remove the raw garlic taste and make it very flavorful. And also the onions are going to release the onion flavor into the cooking oil. So once you notice browning, you're going to be adding in your tomatoes. Don't skip on browning the onions because they are going to add in tons of flavor to the egg stew. So after adding in your tomatoes, you're going to stir. Then you're going to cook over medium-low flame for around a minute or so. And even notice that your pan or your pot is drying out, you can add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes can cook through. After around a minute and a half, this is how my tomatoes are looking and they're cooked down. So next we're going to be adding in some seasoning, which is super simple because we have some paprika, onion powder, and black pepper, which is going to add in a small or mild kick of spiciness. Also, we're going to be adding in 2 beef seasoning cubes, which you can substitute with chicken or even vegetable stock cubes. The seasoning cubes have salt, so you're going to wait for around a minute or two so that everything can cook. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in more salt. So the onion powder is going to add in more onion flavor, while the paprika is going to add in a little bit of color. And the egg stew is going to look so good. If the base of your egg stew is not looking this delicious, you're missing out some few ingredients. So you have to buy some of the ingredients like onion powder and paprika, which you can't miss in your pantry, and add into the stew. Next, we are going to be cracking in our eggs, and for the recipe I'm using 9 eggs. You can double or even triple the recipe to make some more egg stew. So I'm going to be cracking in a small bowl to make sure all the eggs are fresh while adding into the pot. Carefully, I'm going to scramble the eggs. I'm going to use my spatula and break the yolks just like this. Then I'm going to stir in the eggs so that I can scramble. And remember, I'm cooking over medium-low flame, so your flame should not be on high because the eggs are going to cook super fast and they're not going to absorb in the flavor. So you're going to wait for around 10 seconds, stir, wait for another 10 seconds and stir until the eggs are fully cooked. At this point, I'm going to add in my green capsicum, which is going to add in tons of flavor. while I continue cooking the eggs. And at this point, you're going to cook your eggs to your own preference. If you love your eggs well cooked, you're going to cook until the eggs are fully cooked. That is going to take around 3 to 4 minutes. And if you love the eggs not super dry, you're going to cook for around 3 minutes. You should add your capsicum right before the eggs are well cooked, because you don't want to overcook your capsicum, so that you don't lose all that nice flavor from the capsicum. Also, we want a little bit of color in the eggs too. So my eggs are ready, well seasoned. I'm going to check a final time. Oh, yum. So good. So next, I'm going to add in or garnish with coriander. Lots of it. After you add in the coriander, you're going to put on the flames. Stir in the coriander. I'm going to be serving to show you how delish the egg stew is looking. It's well cooked, colorful, and well seasoned. This is a nice way to add in some protein to your meals, especially if you're doing workouts. You need that protein, and this is the recipe for you. And if you're looking for that easy and quick recipe, which is going to take less than 15 minutes to cook, try this egg stew and it will be totally delicious.